First, prepare cross screwdriver, slot type screwdriver, scissors, 7mm sleeve wrench and cable tie for later operation. Open the cabinet door and power off the machine. If refrigeration was running before, need to wait for 2 hours for compressor to cool down. Open the glass door completely. Pinch the latch at the pickup box top, move inward and take out pickup box gently. We need to remove lower 3 trays to operate. Up the buckles at 2 sides of tray, lift the tray a little and pull it out in half. Cut the cable tie at the tray end. Disconnect the cable connector. Take out the tray gently. Do the same for the remaining 2 trays. Now we need to remove the air duct metal plates, include upper and lower. Unscrew to remove the lower plate first. Put all screws in a box during the process to avoid loss. Take out the lower air duct plate. Do the same for the upper air duct plate, and take it out. Use slot type screwdriver to loosen 2 screws on the refrigeration module. Take out the front cover plate and thermal insulation foam. This is the temperature control probe. The connectors locate at the back of machine. We need to unscrew the screws and remove the mesh sheet. Find out connectors of temperature control probe, power cable and earthing lug. Disconnect them one by one. Use sleeve wrench to take out the earthing lug. Loose the cable clip to get the black cable out. Take out the refrigeration module gently. Lift and place refrigeration module and machine gently. Be careful, don't drag or squeeze cables during process. Put the black cable on module top, use cable clip to fix it. Connect temperature control probe and power cable at the back of machine. Use 7mm sleeve wrench fix the earthing lug. Install mesh sheet. Insert the front cover plate, includes thermal insulation foam, from top to bottom. Use slot type screwdriver to fix the screws on the front. Install upper air duct plate. Fix screws one by one. Place lower air duct plate at refrigeration module top. Fix the screws. Place 3 trays back to machine. Connect white cable connector at tray end. Use cable tie to fix the cable. Push back the tray. Press down black buckles to secure the tray. Do the same for the remaining 2 trays. Now we need to place back the pickup box. There are 2 small holes match with 2 bolts at the bottom of pickup box. Lift the box and place it back to machine gently. Close the glass door and cabinet door after assembly. Power on the machine. Please keep machine stand still for 6 hours before testing refrigeration feature, otherwise the compressor might be damaged.